we will demonstrate how to operate a master padlock. Inside the box, it consists of an instruction manual and a master padlock. In this instruction manual, there is a set of combination code. First number 02, second number 24, third number 18. How to open a master padlock? You turn the dial clockwise to the right 3 turns and stop at the first number 02. Then you turn the dial counterclockwise to the left, bypass the first number 02 and stop at 24, the second number. Followed by you turn the dial clockwise to the right and stop at the third number 18. After that, you just pull the shackle to open. Okay, I will show you how to operate the master padlocks. Okay, this is the master padlocks. Okay, the first number 02. Okay, we will turn the dial 3 turns and stop at the first number 1, 2, 02. The third time, stop at 02. Okay. Then we will turn the dial counterclockwise to the left, bypass the first number and stop at the second number 24. Okay, now counterclockwise. Bypass the first number 02 and stop at 24. Okay. After that, you turn the dial clockwise to the right and stop at the third number 18. So we will turn clockwise and stop at 18. After that, you just pull the shackle.